Hi guys, if you are working with industrial automation systems or PLC-based control setups, then this is one of those components that usually stays out of sight, but plays a massive role behind the scenes. Today we're talking about a compatible motor CPU module design for Mitsubishi Q Series systems, including Q02 UCPU, Q02 PHCPU, Q06 PHCPU, Q12 PHCPU, Q25 PHCPU, and Q25 PRHCPU. It may seem like just another industrial hardware part, but in reality, it's the central control unit that drives complex automation processes. To put it simply, this CPU module is the brain of the entire system. It doesn't function like a regular computer processor used for apps or browsing. Instead, it handles real-time industrial operations, managing machines, sensors, motors, and full production lines with accuracy and consistency. What makes it even more interesting is how invisible it is in everyday manufacturing. While factories produce thousands of units every hour, this small module is working silently inside control panels, making sure every process happens exactly as programmed without interruption. One of the key strengths of this compatible CPU module is its broad compatibility with multiple Mitsubishi Q Series models. In industrial environments, this flexibility is extremely valuable because systems are often repaired or upgraded instead of being fully replaced. This allows engineers to maintain older systems without redesigning everything from scratch. In real-world applications, downtime is extremely costly. Even a short interruption in production can lead to delays and financial loss. That's why reliability and compatibility matter far more than appearance or marketing features in industrial components like this. This CPU module is also built for demanding environments. It is designed to operate continuously under heat, vibration, electrical noise, and long working hours. Unlike consumer electronics, industrial hardware must deliver stability and durability above everything else. Inside a PLC system, this module acts as the core processing unit. It runs programmed logic and sends commands to input and output devices. Whether it's a conveyor system starting, a robotic arm moving, or a sensor triggering an action, everything depends on this central controller. That's why choosing the correct CPU module is so important. It's not just a replacement part. It directly affects system stability and performance. A wrong match can lead to system errors or even complete failure. With compatibility across Q02 UCPU, Q02 PHCPU, Q06 PHCPU, Q12 PHCPU, Q25 PHCPU, and Q25 PRHCPU systems, this module provides a practical solution for maintenance, upgrades, and system support in industrial automation setups. In the end, this is not a flashy consumer device. There are no lights, no designs, no gimmicks, but it is one of the most important hidden components powering modern manufacturing systems. If you are maintaining or upgrading your PLC setup, this compatible CPU module is worth considering. Check the link in the description for more details.